In this presentation, we will discuss ways which students can use reading and writing as learning tools and how to best use content area textbooks to effectively support a balanced literacy approach to instruction. Students will explore their special interests, develop research skills, and demonstrate their strengths when they read and write in the content areas. They learn to use the special features of content area textbooks, as well as a wide variety of trade books, newspapers, magazines, and internet resources to answer their questions. Reading and writing are learning tools. Reading has a powerful impact on writing and vice versa. Connecting the two skills across the curriculum supports overall comprehension. Since we know that once students know how to read, they also read to learn, it becomes essential that we use a wide range of approaches to nurture content area reading skills. Some writing tools include text sets, learning logs, and journals. Students can demonstrate their knowledge a variety of ways, such as through the creation of reports, essays, and poems. Through the use of thematic units, integrated instruction will occur naturally and most authentically. Reading and writing are complementary skills, so it is important to find ways to connect them. These should be connected with both instruction and assessment. There are many practical ways to do this, including the use of trade books and using writing in content areas as a tool to think and learn. When students write about what they're learning, it helps them to become better writers, and teachers can use the students' writing to assess their learning. Textbooks have traditionally been the cornerstone of social studies and science learning. However, these books have noteworthy shortcomings that limit their effectiveness. For example, oftentimes textbooks are unappealing and too difficult for many students to read and understand. Teachers must plan for quality instruction and provide supplemental learning experiences to increase the effectiveness of these textbooks. Content area textbooks look different than other types of books and have unique conventions, such as the use of headings, charts, maps, sometimes margin notes, and features like glossary, index, and even study questions at the end of the chapter. To make textbooks more comprehensible, teachers should use a variety of activities during each stage of the reading process. It is also important that teachers model how to study and how to most efficiently use those unique features of the book throughout their reading process. Content area textbooks can be a great resource, but we must remember that they're not a full instructional program and should not be the sole material used to teach reading and writing and content standards. To better teach content area skills, thematic units should be utilized. Thematic units are interdisciplinary units that integrate reading and writing with social studies, science, and other curricular areas. To begin planning a thematic unit, teachers will select a general topic and then determine the instructional focus using literacy and content area standards. They identify the resources they have and develop their teaching plan, integrating content area study with reading and writing activities. Brain-based research and empirical data support the notion that integrated instruction is indeed best practice for K-3 literacy instruction. When focusing on reading and writing across the curriculum, we've identified three big ideas. The three takeaways for this lesson include: number one, effective teachers integrate reading and writing instruction with content area study, allowing students ample opportunity to use writing to demonstrate what they've learned. Number two, effective teachers use content area textbooks as part of a balanced literacy environment, supplementing with integrated instruction, thematic units, and a wide range of developmentally appropriate activities and materials. And our third and final takeaway for this lesson is that both instruction and assessment should be driven by research. Evidence from research finding across multiple disciplines supports the use of integrating curriculum to support overall student learning.